crafters, it's Amanda. I'm here with a video for you today. I'm going to show you how to make this cute little Christmas card. It's just one quick one I just threw together really fast. So to get started, I cut out these cute little bird houses off of Cricut, and actually they had a heart and I just cut out a circle and put a circle instead. I cut them at about 1.5. No, actually they're at 2. And so I went ahead and inked them up and put them together. So to create my background, I found this really cute paper stack last year, Christmas stack at Hobby Lobby, and I really like the old-timey look to them. I'm using some of the snowflakes off of My Pink Stampers Winter Punnies and some blue pigment ink, and I just went ahead and stamped like that all over the page. That's one thing I like about stamping, is it doesn't have to be perfect, because it just adds to that homemade feel of the card. Really quick, simple little snowflake pattern. Like that. Now, I'm going to go ahead and stamp my sentiments. This one, the Merry Christmas, I got at Hobby Lobby too. They're cute little, I think they're like $1.99 little Christmas stamps. Has all kinds of little sentiments. And so, I just was going to use my Merry Christmas. Like that. And my other sentiment, it says from your home to, or from my home to yours, and it's also from My Pink Stampers Winter Punnies. I just thought it would be cute, since it's little bird houses, to do my home from my home to yours. Okay, I take some lighter brown ink. I got some ink all over my hands, and I just kind of went around the edges, distressed it a little bit, make it look a little more old-timey. Now I took some brown ribbon and kind of lined it out where I wanted it, and I usually take my glue runner and just run a little piece right there in the center to kind of hold it still. Flip it over and take some tape and roll and tape this down. Sorry, my voice is like a little hoarse on me tonight. I don't know what my deal is. I think I might be getting sick. Hope not. So then I took my little birdie houses, and I'm going to scoot this out of the way. I'm going to flip them over, and I won some really pretty red and white twine, and I love it. I've been using it like crazy. And so I'm going to tape it to the back of these. It's easier to line it up this way than to tape it to the backing and then try to get your houses all on there just right. So this way the twine's already at the peak of the house. I'm going to go ahead and use my glue runner, and I'm going to glue them down. I feel like I'm whispering at y'all. Okay, I'm gonna get them lined up here, and I kind of want my sentiment in the middle. Of the two little houses. Like that. I'm gonna flip these over again. I'll tape those little pieces of twine down. There we go. Tape it on up. Finish all my gluing around. Just a quick and simple little card. And it's 5 1/4 by 5 1/4 is what the card size is. I don't know. I kind of favor square cards for some reason. Just like the shape. So then I went ahead and tied some little twine bows that I'm going to attach at the top of my birdhouses so it looks like they're hanging. I'm going to take some glue dots and just attach it. That's how I'm going to attach the bows. And it's a little big, so I just kind of squish it up a little bit. Like that. Go ahead and put my other one on. This one's a little long, so I'm going to go ahead and trim it out. Trim some of it down. There you go. Next, I'm going to take some white puffy paint, which is another one of my favorites this year. And I'm just going to put it all over the roof. Make it look like it's got some snow on top. Just like that. It doesn't have to be perfect. Actually, the messier the better. It actually looks more realistic that way, I think. I'm going to put a little bit in the inside, like there's just a little bit on the edge of the birdhouse opening. And there you go, a cute, easy Christmas card. Well, I hope this gives you some fun ideas, and I'll talk to y'all soon. There'll be a picture of my finished card on my blog, so check it out. Bye.